Hey wonderful people, it's Star. Thank you for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 meals for what I ate today, starting off with breakfast. I hope you guys enjoy, rate, and subscribe. For breakfast, I'm having oatmeal, and I like oatmeal, especially this brand by Nature's Path, because it's the organic and it's hot instant oatmeal and it's blueberry and flaxseed. And I had this because I was traveling and this was the only one I have left. Normally, I just heat up the plain oats and I do it in a pot, but this was very convenient and it was very yummy. And then you just want to add some hot water into the bowl. Normally I would have 1 pack, but if I'm really hungry that morning, I'll have 2. But this was pretty filling because I always jazz it up. Then I like to add some granola. So the maple pecan granola is my favorite. Then I just cut up half of my green apple. I put some in there, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. For lunch, I'm gonna have the Morningstar Farms #1 veggie burger brand. It's really #1, you guys. I love this brand, and this veggie burger is quick, and you just heat it up in the pan for about 5 minutes or so. Boom, and it's done. So I'm gonna have this avocado with it, along with some baby arugula. And this is the Uncle Vinny's brand. I don't know, I got this from my local supermarket, but it says stay skinny with Uncle Vinny. I hear you, Vinny, because we about to stay skinny. Yes. So yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch today. After I cut my yummy avocado, I get a plate and spread out some arugula, top with avocado. It's so simple when you just squeeze it out, it's already cut. Add some balsamic vinegar. This is an organic, authentic, natural flavor, and then just throw on the veggie burger into slices, and this is so good, you guys. Moving along for dinner, here I'm making quinoa, lentils, baked sweet potato, and I topped with avocado. So I just used 1 cup of dried quinoa, and I'm going to add it into the pot. I also measured out the lentils, and this is just the regular dry lentils in the Goya pack, and you want to put that in a pot as well, and I used a separate pot for this. And honestly, I never know how much water to put in the pot. I just kind of make sure that whatever I'm entering in the pots, the water covers it. And you want to make sure you watch over both of them. The lentils will take a little minute to cook, maybe about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on how high you got your fire. And the quinoa is normally about 12 minutes or so. When you see this earth balance butter, just know that it's really yummy. So go ahead and try it. I added it to the quinoa to give it that flavor. I didn't add any salt or any seasonings into it. But I am adding some seasoning into the lentils. And I like to add garlic powder along with cumin, a splash of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. And I mix that all together. And it came so nicely, and the fragrance was so good, and it was smoky. I decided to add some yellow bell pepper. Also adding in this soy ginger sauce just for a little added flavor. Okay, so the sweet potatoes are on this baking pan and it's non-stick. I'm gonna just add some olive oil, sprinkle some sea salt. So just going to massage them all over. And this is an actual non-stick pan that I can put into the microwave because my microwave has an oven grill attachment, and I got it from Best Buy. I'll show you guys the microwave in a minute if you're looking for a new microwave. So here's the microwave that we have. It's ceramic inside. It's by Samsung. And here's the buttons. You just want, oh, it's 657. You just want to go to the grill function. And when you press grill, like when you open it, we just have this thing in here to cover all food. I take that out, and it's pretty big inside. I really like this plate because it's really big. But here's the inside, and here is the grill right here. So this gets really hot, and you'll see as I enter the pan. It on the plate like so. So that way you see the pan is within height of the grill. So. Okay, so here is the finished product. Oh wait, I lied. Sprinkle some sriracha on because I like spiciness. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakfast, lunch, and dinner idea. And follow me on social media so you can see the videos before I post to YouTube, as well as subscribe. And I wait for you in my next video. I look forward to speaking with you.